Are you new to iMovie? Do you need help? I can show you how to get it. Let's do it. If you're using iMovie and need some help, just tap the question mark in the upper right hand corner. These yellow tabs will appear. They tell you things like how to add media, undo changes, and adjust project level settings. Just tap the question mark again to turn them off. The tab in the bottom left hand corner says Learn More. If you need more help, tap it and you'll be taken to the iMovie help documentation. Let's say that I want to adjust the speed of some audio I use in a clip. I would tap Create Movie, Add and Adjust Audio, and then tap Adjust Speed. Now I have a step-by-step process I can follow to do that. Tap Done to return to your project.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.